Alright.
I'm in for a ride today. You're available, so
Yeah, might as well.
let's kick it.
Oops, sorry. So you're just volunteering today, or?
Yeah, I work at Total Tools, so
Okay.
my boss, my manager's running it. This V6 turbo?
No, this is 4-cylinder turbo.
4-cylinder turbo.
Yeah. Had some light mods done, so
Yep.
it's okay. But it's a nice sunny cruise.
Yeah. Fucking grips well.
Yeah.
What tyres you running?
Michelin Pilot Sports. So this is my daily driver.
Sweet. What are you hitting on the straight?
That was around about 140. So, and then the car's a bit heat soaked at the moment because
Yeah.
I didn't realise on the last session I was running the aircon. But you know, can't complain. What do you drive?
I mean, I drive a fucking Triton,
Nothing like that.
MQ Triton. I used to have an XR6U, but
Yep.
that was always fun. But I was looking at the Mustangs. Noticed all the fucking holes in the bonnets are. None of the Fords have brought this problem.
No. I think they're just excited to get out there.
I don't blame them. You get to drive on a track for free.
Oh, exactly.